students. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 29 chemical coordination in human, and today's topic is pancreas, endocrine gland. So topic is pancreas, endocrine gland. First is origin. Students, pancreas endodermal in origin. Endodermal in origin, it means originate from endoderm germ layer. Next is color is light yellow or pink in color. Next, shape of pancreas is irregular and flat in shape. Next is weight of pancreas is 85 gram. Next is position or location of pancreas is behind the stomach, in the recess of the U-shaped duodenum. Students, duodenum, it is a part of alimentary canal and first part of small intestine. Next is structure of pancreas and figure of pancreas. So figure, this is esophagus. It is a part of alimentary canal. Next, this is stomach. It is a J shape, part of alimentary canal. Next is duodenum. It is a first part of small intestine, and this is pancreas. This is pancreas. So this is figure of pancreas. Next is figure of isolate of Langerhans. Isolates of Langerhans. Students, pancreas behave as exocrine and endocrine. It means pancreas behave both exocrine and endocrine. These round shape structures related to exocrine part. It means these round shape structures to secrete enzymes. These enzymes help in digestion or food digestion. and this is part is endocrine part. This part is endocrine part. It is called islets of Langerhans. So this is acini cell. Acini cells to secrete digestive enzyme. Next, this is RBC. It means red blood corpuscles. Next, this structure is islets of Langerhans. Islet of Langerhans. In islet of Langerhans, mostly three type of cell. First is alpha cell. Next is beta cell, and third is delta cell. And this figure is islets of Langerhans. Once again, pancreas behave both exocrine and endocrine. Exocrine part is acini cells and endocrine part is islet of Langerhans. This structure is islet of Langerhans. Islet of Langerhans to discovered first time Langerhans scientist. Mostly islet of Langerhans to have three type of cell. First is alpha cell, second is beta cell, third is gamma or delta cell. So next is pancreas part. Mostly two part. First is exocrine part. Next is endocrine part. Exocrine part is acini cells. Acini cells to secrete digestive enzymes. It means these enzymes help in digestion. Secrete digestive enzymes. Next, endocrine part is islets of Langerhans. Students, discovered of islets of Langerhans by Langerhans scientist. Next, mostly three cells of islet of Langerhans. First is alpha cell, second is beta cell, and third is delta cell. First is alpha cell, or amount of alpha cell in islet of Langerhans is about 25%. Next is shape is middle in size. Next, hormone secreted by alpha cell is glucagon. Next, glucagon hormones discovered by Kimball and Merlin. Kimball and Merlin discovered glucagon hormone. Next is beta cell. First is amount of beta cell in isolate of Langerhans is about 60%. It means maximum amount of cell in isolate of Langerhans is beta cell. Next, size is large in size. Large in size. Students, size. Next is hormone of beta cell is insulin. It is main hormone of pancreas. Next is insulin was first isolated by Bentingve-Best and Best. Next, insulin was first isolated as a crystal form by Abel scientist. Next is discovered of protein structure of insulin. Students, insulin is protein nature hormone. It is peptide hormone. It's Sanger or Sengen scientist. So Sanger to receive Nobel Prize for this discovery. Next is delta cell. First is amount delta cells about 10% in isolate of Langerhans. Next is size is small in size. Next is hormone is somatostatin. Once again, somatostatin. Next is hormones of pancreas. Students, mostly pancreas gland to secrete 3 hormones. First is glucagon. Once again, first is glucagon. It is secreted by alpha cell first. Next, function it stimulated gluconeogenesis. It means glucose, it means protein, amino acids and fatty acid. It means 2 formation. It means a process by which amino acid and fatty acid, it means fats, it means amino acid, are converted to glucose. Next, to increase the level of glucose in blood. Next is insulin. Students, it is main hormone of pancreas but secreted by beta cell. So it is secreted by beta cell. Next is first time isolated by insulin is Banting and Best, and first time isolated a crystal form is Abel scientist, and discovered the protein structure of Sanger scientist. Next function is to decrease the level of glucose in blood. Once again, to decrease the level of glucose in blood. It means it stimulated glycogenesis. It means glycogen. It means glycogen. It is polysaccharide. Genesis, it means to formation. Next, third is somatostatin. Students, it is secreted by delta cell. Delta cells about 10% in isolate of Langerhans. Second, size is small in size. Next is hormone is somatostatin. Next is function of somatostatin is this hormone decreases the secretion of both insulin and glucagon. First, this hormone decreases the secretion of both insulin and glucagon. Once again, second is to increase the assimilation timing of digest food. So students, today's topic is completed. Today we studied pancreas, endocrine gland. Students, this gland to behave as exocrine and endocrine, so it is also an mixed gland. Only single gland or single endocrine gland is mixed is pancreas. So other name of pancreas is mixed gland, because pancreas to behave as exocrine and endocrine. It means pancreas to behave as both endocrine and exocrine, but mostly part is exocrine, but some part is endocrine. So thanks, have a nice day.